Hey everybody, today I'm going to go over the Crypto.com Visa metal card. As you can see here, they recently did a commercial with Matt Damon and it turned out really cool. They've been doing some amazing marketing initiatives lately. So, quick overview of it. They are the world's fastest growing crypto app. They have 10 million plus users. You can buy and sell 200 plus different cryptocurrencies. You can get access to their crypto.com metal Visa card and get insane cashback rates. And even just by having their app and holding your money or your cryptocurrencies in there, you get these insane rewards, like way higher than any banks will ever give or even stocks. So it's just super amazing here. So I'm just going to get into this really quick because there's so many different things about this. I just want to power through it really fast. So you can take a quick look at this chart here. There is 5 different cards. The first tier here is the only one that's plastic because it's free to get. All the other ones are these badass metal cards, and they all have different benefits. The higher the tier, of course, the higher the benefits. And I will go over all of this here as well to make more sense about it. So in order to get access to the card, you need to buy the crypto.com native cryptocurrency called the Crow. You can get it for free all the way to 400,000 USD worth for the different tiers. Higher the tier, better the perks. The most popular is the Ruby Red. It's 400 US dollars as a Crow stake. And you can also get the Jade Green and Royal Indigo, which is the one that I have, at a 4,000 USD Crow stake. So an important note is you don't lose this money. You keep the Crow you purchased, but it gets locked up for a 6-month period. This is actually a really cool feature because it prevents selling of Crow, which would decrease the price if people were able to sell it easily. This is partially attributed to why Crow has seen amazing gains recently, although among many other reasons as well. So after the 6 months is up, you can unstake your Crow, sell it. You can do whatever you want with it as your Crow. But if you want to maintain the same card benefits, you must keep at least the minimum amount of Crow, whether it's 400, $4,000 worth, whatever card you got. You can take out the extra amount you gained, but this will reset that 6-month lockup if you touch it from there on. So, oh, and a caveat here. Let's say you got the $400 card. After 6 months, the value went down to 300. You don't need to top up an extra $100 to get the benefits again. You can keep it as is. So that's also an important feature there, that you don't need to increase it if you lose money. And if you get higher money, you can take it out. It's not a big deal. After the 6 months is up, of course. So, personal example is I purchased $4,000 worth of Crow at 13 cents, and only a short 6 months later, Crow being 96 cents, my $4,000 purchase to get access to the card is now worth $30,000. That's a 7.3x gain in only 6 months. I mean, you're not going to see that kind of stuff anywhere else. This is why cryptocurrency is been really good for investors. So soon I'll be able to upgrade to the $40,000 card from only spending 4,000. So this is a screenshot I took. I'm actually Canadian, so I spent 5,000 CAD to get it, and then it turned into 34,000 CAD. I'm just speaking in US dollars because that's where mostly everybody's going to be watching from. So staking interest, Crow stake rewards. As you can see here, I get Crow stake rewards, almost 60 Crow every single week for free. So the 4,000 USD tier and higher cards earn interest on your Crow stake paid out weekly to you. So the 4,000 tier gets 10% APR, and the higher tier cards get 12% APR. This doesn't mean that you get 10% return on your $4,000. It's actually much better than that. So let's say, for math simplicity, If Crow costs $1 per coin, you would end up getting 4,000 Crow from your card stake purchase. This means you would get 7.7 Crow every week for free. 4,000 Crow times 10% return divided by 52 weeks equals 7.7 Crow. See how it's Crow you're paid back in and not US dollars? The reason why this is great is because if Crow goes to $2.50 a coin, you're still getting back the same 7.7 Crow per week. But now instead of it being worth $7.70, it now would be worth $19.25 every week for free. A personal example for me is when I got into the crypto.com, I got my $4,000 ended up getting me 30,985 Crow. But because I earn 10% interest, I get 60 Crow for week, or I get 60 Crow for free every week. At today's value, that's $57.6 every week for free. Now, if I was getting 10% back on $4,000 instead of in Crow, I would only be getting $7.70 back. So as you can see here, there's a lot more power in having Crow. So for the card cash back, the crypto.com cryptocurrency debit card is unparalleled to others. The Crow cashback feature is extremely high, from 1% to 8% cashback. This alone can generate you free cryptocurrency and a lot of it too. The Crow cashback is deposited to you instantly after a purchase is made as well. So, a personal example, I have this joke I say whenever I make a purchase, this will be free 3 to 5 years from now. So my first purchase when I got my card, I received 3% dollar amount equivalent back into Crow. So I used my card on every single purchase I could do. Because Crow has experienced a 7.38x gain since I started using the card, that means those purchases I made a while back were actually not only 3% cash back, but the equivalent to 22% cash back. So in only a short 6 months, I would say I'm well on my way for my purchases to be free a little while longer. So the 100% cash back benefits. So you'll notice in the image near the top there, you can get 100 cash back onto Netflix, Spotify, Amazon Prime, and you can also get 10% off of Expedia and Airbnb. So these perks alone are well worth it, even without anything else. With Crow price increases as well, you could very well be getting paid to have these services. So a personal example for me is back when Crow was 13 cents and my Netflix monthly bill was $16.79, I received 129 Crow as a reimbursement for paying for Netflix with my card. Now, at the height of Crow being at 96 cents, that means I got $123 back. So not only did I receive Netflix for free, but I was paid over $100 to have my Netflix in just 1 month. I mean, that's just crazy. So you can also get airport lounge access when you stake with the $4,000 card and above. Lounge Key, they have more than 1,100 lounges in over 500 airports. It's one of the largest airport lounge programs. They offer unlimited free food, drinks, alcohol, depending on locations. All of them are so amazing, and it really makes vacationing that much easier for you, especially if you're using your card and you're getting cash back on your entire vacation. That's very nice to have. And to fund your card. So you can easily connect your bank account to the crypto.com app and send money for free from your bank to the app. From here, you would purchase a stable coin with your deposited funds and add that onto your card for spending. You're also able to add other cryptocurrency coins you hold on the app and put it on for spending, but I wouldn't recommend doing it that way, just for tax reasons. It's easier to purchase a stable coin and put it on there. So you're only able to spend what you put onto the card. So you want to make sure you have enough topped up onto the card to cover any purchases you're needing to do. And these top ups are instant as well. So if you forgot to do it and you're in the line up at the grocery store, you know, you can do it right away there and it won't be an issue. It's also kind of nice to have because I know a lot of people have credit card spending issues. So it does get you into the habit of not spending more money than you have, because far too many people are living off credit. So this is just a nice little thing that you're only spending what you have. I kind of actually enjoy that feature. Some people think of it as a downside. I think about it as a plus. So for they are spending limits as well. The card operates as a prepaid credit card basically, or like a debit card. So the initial stake you did to get access to the card is not included in what you can spend on the card. That stake is strictly just to get access to the card. So different countries have different monthly spending limits. You can see here. From my understanding as well, I believe you're able to spend over this amount, but you don't end up getting cash back on it. Don't quote me on that for sure, but you can get cash back up to this monthly spending, which is a super high spending anyways. So how to get started for this? You can use my code here and you would get a free 25 US dollars for signing up and getting access to one of these cards. I will leave the link and the code in the description below. If you use it, I would also receive $25. It would be very appreciated as well, just to help me for making these videos. And if you want to learn more about crypto.com and different features and things it has, I'll be posting more videos about the app, DeFi, all kinds of different things as well. So make sure to like this video and subscribe and stay tuned for more. Thank you.